I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Daily vloggers lie. See, I don't have any real reason to actually be here. Hey. Or here, or here, or here, or here, or here. Although it is quite beautiful. Or here. Nope, all these locations are things that I do, generally are made up, basically to make the vlog more interesting, because otherwise, this is what you'd see. Now don't get me wrong, there are some daily vloggers who can afford to pay a guy to be here and also have the travel budget to do all kinds of fun things. I mean, let's face it, if I had any kind of budget for this, I'd be doing all sorts of things. So the next time your daily vlogger is out doing stuff like this, you know that they're really just doing this for you. It's pretty cool, huh?